Divider and Separator is an amazing Shopify app that improves your store's UI experience by adding fantastic section dividers in the store's UI. It works with any Shopify theme. Even free Shopify themes can take leverage of this tool. Today I'll give basic demo how to use this app. I am using Dawn Shopify theme, which is a free Shopify theme. Click on Customize button to open theme in editor. I have made minimal changes to this free theme. Let's scroll down to footer section. In footer area, click on Add section. Click on Apps. Click on Dividers and Separators. This will add new divider in the footer. Divider is now added, but color does not match your theme. Click on the divider to configure it. Select the top color. Choose from currently used colors. Also select the bottom color, which is probably this one. Now our divider perfectly matched our theme color. There are many styles available. By default it loads multi-curve divider. Let's see other options. We can also flip the style horizontally and vertically. Let's see this in action. I'll apply another divider on top, then we will see final result. If you don't see the Divider and Separator app in the theme editor, then you must subscribe to a monthly plan with 7-day free trial. You can uninstall the app within 7 days, and app won't charge any amount. Here is the final result. Divider and Separator app is very easy to use. Thank you for choosing us.